3 of the best upgrades that you can do right now on your gaming PC. Starting in at number 3, get a new PC case. Now I know performing a case swap is a lot of work, but hear me out. It's the single biggest thing you can do to completely change the look and feel of your PC. Number 2, swap out your cables from the standard ones to these designer cables. This again is a ton of work, but if you're already case swapping, it is the perfect time to do it. Plus, color matching my case with my cables looks absolutely insane. And finally, upgrade your motherboard with a solid processor frame. Overall, this is going to give your CPU better support and stability, while also maximizing cooling potential by increasing contact surface area.